0.05. All we got to do is we got to look at place value, and then this becomes super simple. So this first spot is our 10th spot. This next spot is our 100th spot. This next spot is our 1000th spot. Whoops. Okay, so we have our decimal, we have 10th, 100th, and then 1000th. All we got to do is look at where does this decimal stop. It stops in the 100th spot. So all we got to do is take this number, which is 0.5, or with that leading zero is not going to be not necessary in a fraction. We got a 5, and since it's in the 100th spot, we put it over 100. And it's as simple as that. We don't need to simplify. We don't need to do anything. We just got to understand that this 5.05, since it's in the 100th spot, literally represents 5 out of 100. Next, we've got 0.47. Now we got a 4 in the 10th spot, but does that matter? No. We look at the rightmost digit, which is 7, which is again in that 100th spot. So we put this entire 47 over 100, and we're done. Last but not least, 0.2. Now we don't have a digit here. This stops in the 10th spot. So in this case, we throw that 2 above, not 100, but just a 10. This is 2 out of 10.